so it's not so much of an issue.
College are in a tiny space, to be fair.
But
well, it still sort of feels small. It just feels wide because you're in the middle of a lake.
Yeah.
And there's rain dropping everywhere. I have a really long video of me just looking at swans on this as
So
well.
I don't think the rufflings are any as aggressive.
Well, sometimes they just sort of go woo, 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 woo.
That's just them calling out their territory. On the Holland
Hey.
bit,
Nom nom nom.
they had rufflings just wild in this park.
There's quite a few that have them just sort of prancing around.
We went to
Nom nom nom.
Chesington.
Yeah.
And they had the rufflings running around with a pen and they come
Freaking
and
rain.
over you and they're really friendly.
Yeah.
I think it was what was that? I think it was Chesington, I can't remember. Nom, 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 nom.
You just throw an apple at it. There you go.
Nom, 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 nom.
They have some funny faces.
They do.
Bye bye.
They like shove a whole grape in